The common myth, I will replace us all.
Many believe that artificial intelligence is set to take over all human jobs. This fear often spreads through news stories and popular culture, warning of a future where machines dominate the workplace. But is this really the full picture? Let's look beyond the headlines to see what evidence actually tells us about AI and employment.
What does AI really do?
AI excels at handling repetitive, structured tasks like data processing or quality control. However, it struggles with roles requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. Jobs in healthcare, education, and the arts, for example, rely heavily on uniquely human skills, something AI can't truly replicate.
History shows adaptation, not elimination.
Throughout history, new technologies have changed how we work, not ended employment. The introduction of machines in factories or computers in offices shifted job demands, but also created new professions. Similarly, AI is more likely to transform existing jobs and produce new opportunities, rather than simply replace humans.
Humans remain essential.
AI still needs people to design, monitor, and improve it. Roles involving collaboration, empathy, critical thinking, and leadership remain crucial. Furthermore, many industries require human judgment and oversight to navigate ethical and unpredictable situations. This ensures that humans continue to play a vital role even in an AI-driven workplace.
Building the future together.
Rather than replacing all jobs, AI offers a chance for humans and machines to collaborate. By learning new skills and adapting to evolving technologies, workers can remain valuable and resilient. The future of work is about partnership where AI enhances, not eliminates human potential.